What's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And on today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7. All right, this is the regular GPS model. This is going to be the 45 millimeter, so the bigger boy. This is going to be in the blue coloring. This video is going to be pretty quick and pretty straight to the point. But what I do want to do is I want to compare it with my blue Series 6. Now, just to kind of show you guys size difference, because really everything else is pretty much the same. Now, I am rocking right here a cellular version of the Apple Watch, which I do love. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are one of those people that prefer the cellular or just GPS is more than enough. But I do find myself using those cellular features. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this Apple Watch. How do we do this? Like that, so we don't rip it. Boom, boom. Apple's huge on packaging and making things easy. However, I'm not a huge fan of the way this Apple Watch box opens. So again, 45 millimeter, blue band, sport band, nothing special about this. It's really all about the watch itself. And guys, please help me hit 4,000 subscribers. I am very close to 4,000. It's been a long time coming. I'm trying to make sure I am consistently pumping out videos for you. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. All of that helps the channel, and I gladly and greatly appreciate the kindness. Okie dokie, so here is your usual books, probably stickers and whatnot, so I'm not even going to bother with that. I'm going to put that off to the side. You've got your charger. Now this charger right here is a USB-C to the puck charger, and it should be charging your Apple Watch significantly faster. So if you're upgrading from an older Apple Watch to the new Series 7, guys, definitely take the time to unbox and use your new cable, because it actually matters. It helps. Let's go ahead and squeeze this bad boy out. However, which way this comes out. Sorry, just turned it on accidentally. It's probably going to be hard to tell. But Series 6 on the right. Series 7 turning on the left. Not a huge difference if you already have the bigger one of the Series 6. Okay? So, guys, let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you want me to go ahead and check out and review and edit. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like I said, this was a quick unboxing. It was Nando. Peace, salutes, adios, and don't forget to stay geeky.